यस मैम लिख लिया।
Okay, so today we start with the alkynes. फटाफट से give me a brief description of alkynes के बारे में, what you people know.
It consists of 2 pi bond and 1
unsaturated compound.
2 pi and 1 sigma unsaturated or having a triple bond.
Formula is CnH2n minus 2.
CnH2n2. Anything else? Anything else? Who is the first member?
ethyl.
Ethine. What is the common name for the ethine? What is the Batao, what is the common name for the ethine? Its common name is acetylene. Okay. Up over here, this acetylene is used for the welding purposes. It is used for the welding purpose. Up when we are using it in a welding purpose, it is used in the form of oxyacetylene. Okay, oxyacetylene flame. इसका मतलब क्या हो गया? That it is obtained by mixing the acetylene with the oxygen gas. Clear? When we talk about the suffix, your suffix "-ine" we are going to put over here. Next comes your isomer. When we talk about the isomer, it gives us the position isomer. Position isomer का मतलब क्या हो गया? That say suppose I have made a one structure. This. What is its name? Pentyne. Same pentyne I am making over here, but what I have then, यहाँ पे the position of my triple bond is what? It is present at the first position. But यहाँ पे if you look, I have made the position at the second carbon atom. So it will be what? Pen to ine. इसके अलावा what we can do? We can do the branching also for this. वही 5 carbon atoms से, but what we have done the branching over here. So what will be its IUPAC name? What will be its IUPAC name?
3-methyl butene.
Yes, 3-methyl but1-ine. Okay, this is the position isomer. Now in this we have the one question. A question what we can expect from this much part, like you can be asked for writing the isomer for any of the alkyne series. कैसे आ सकता है? That write down the different isomers or corresponding isomers for the 6th member of the alkyne series or 5th member of the alkyne series. Also write the IUPAC name for them. इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन for the 2 marks we can expect over here. Okay. Another thing after this we have in this case, that is your preparation. That how we can prepare a alkyne. So over here the first preparing method is that we can,
मैम हमें वो
if you want, इतना important तो नहीं था, you can note down.
मैम एक पेज लेफ्ट करके कर रहे हैं ना ये नोट?
आधा पेज बेटा। डन बेटा?
No.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
done.
done.
Okay beta. Now next we was discussing about the preparation method. The first preparation method for the alkynes is what? That we can prepare from the calcium carbide. Now if we talk about this on the industrial level means जब आप बहुत ज़्यादा quantity you are making at the industrial scale, we can prepare a ethyne by treating calcium carbide with water. Calcium carbide क्या हो गया? Calcium आएंगे वो पहला that you require to prepare a calcium carbide. This calcium carbide बनाने के लिए what we do? We heat a quicklime with coke. Means CaCO3, heating it, CaO, it gives you a plus carbon dioxide. Okay. Now over here what you are going to do? You take calcium oxide over here. इसको we treat with the coke and it is going to give you a CaCO2 plus CO. This is your calcium carbide. Now from this calcium carbide we prepare a ethyne. That is your C2H2. This is the preparation of calcium carbide. Write down this. पहले heading लिखो. And then write down scale.
मैम इससे पहले क्या लिखना है?
Heading from calcium carbide. On industrial scale, ethyne is prepared by treating calcium carbide with water.
Ma'am, please repeat.
Okay, beta. Ethyne is prepared by treating calcium carbide with water. Full stop. We obtain calcium carbide by heating quicklime
मैम फ्री ऑब्टेन
Free obtain. To obtain. To obtain calcium carbide, we heat quicklime with coke. अब यहाँ पे write down this particular equation. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
For this reaction, calcium oxide can be obtained by
मैम फॉर दिस रिएक्शन के बाद क्या है?
For this reaction, calcium oxide can be obtained by heating limestone. And then write down this equation. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
And then write down this third equation.
मैम आपने ये ऊपर लिख रखा है कैल्शियम कार्बाइड इज इक्वल्स टू क्विकलाइम विद कोक, ये भी लिखना है?
नहीं ये मत लिखना, मैंने डिक्टेट कर दिया ना आपको अब कंप्लीट सेंटेंस.
मैम
मैम
पहले
कैल्शियम
रिएक्शन
हाइड्रो
हाँ एक एक करके बोलो. यस बोलो बेटा. चल बेटा.
मैम कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड को स्लेग लाइम बोलते हैं ना?
यस बेटा. जोगेंद्र आप बोलो क्या व्हाट यू वर सेइंग.
मैंने पहले इक्वेशन वो सारी रिएक्शंस लिख दी.
कोई बात नहीं, आप ऐसा भी कर सकते हो कि पहले यू राइट डाउन ऑल द writing material and you can write down the equation. No issues in that case.
ओके मैम. मैम डन.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Write down next preparation method. Second preparation method is from vicinal dihalides. What are the vicinal dihalides?
मैम एडजेसेंट कार्बन एटम पे दो halogens.
Yes. So in the case of vicinal dihalide, first understand, say suppose we have taken this vicinal dihalide Br. So what happens over here? Whatever the vicinal dihalide we have taken, this particular vicinal dihalide, we make it to react with the KOH, and that KOH should be alcoholic. Okay. Now, when you are going to make it react with the alcoholic KOH, there is a what? A dehydrohalogenation takes place. Dehydrohalogenation का मतलब क्या हो गया? Your halogen will also remove and your hydrogen will also get removed. So what happens over here? Minus KBr and minus H2O. Clear? So what happens कि यहां से your 1Br and is K, they have removed. यहाँ पे OH is over here and one hydrogen is being removed over here. ये भी हट सकता है, ये भी हट सकता है, कोई सा भी हट सकता है. No issues in that case. So what happens now? अब क्या बचा? One hydrogen Br. Okay. Now again what
एक्सक्यूज मी
happens?
मैम,
हाँ जी बेटा.
मैं
अब
आपने
तुम ये
बीआर इधर
बोलोगे
शिफ्ट
मैम
कैसे
ये
कर?
वाला Br से हटाया है तो फिर ये वाला क्यों नहीं हटाया? लो, मुझे पता था you are going to do ask this question. लो, मैंने अब ये वाला Br हटा दिया. अब ठीक है? Now what happens
यस
over here? That again you are going to what? You are going to heat it. इसका एक हाइड्रोजन हैलाइड रह गया हमारे पास. Now what happens to form the alkynyl halide? It is treated with soda amide. Soda amide का मतलब क्या हो गया? NH2. Your sodium have the positive charge and this NH2 have a negative charge. So what happens? Your Br is negative in the nature. It is going minus NaBr. At the same time, what is going to happen? एक हाइड्रोजन यहाँ से रिमूव हो जाएगा. So what is going to happen? It will become NH3 because it is negatively charged. Hydrogen is positively charged. So we will get your alkyne. Is it clear?
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम.
Yes, बेटा बोलो.
मैम आपने बोला एल्कोहलिक KOH लेंगे, लेकिन KOH में OH आ रहा है तो वो पहले से अल्कोहल है ना.
हाँ, मींस उसका जो एसिडिक मीडियम है ना वो ज्यादा होगा. जो pH लेवल होगा वो आपका बिलो 7 होगा. Alcoholic का मतलब ये होता है that you are going to add the few drops of alcohol over there.
ओके
Okay.
मैम.
Next बताओ. Sorry. Now write down over here. Vicinal dihalides are treated with alcoholic potassium hydroxide
Ma'am, alcoholic dihalides.
alcoholic potassium hydroxide
Okay, ma'am.
which undergo dehydrohalogenation.
And which undergo?
Dehydrohalogenation. Spelling लिखो.
No ma'am.
Okay. Dehydrohalogenation which gives hydrogen halide. Sorry, write down what I have told one time. Repeat.
which gives hydrogen halide.
नहीं, इससे पहले का टेल, which gives hydrogen halide, do not write अभी. इससे पहले complete sentence tell me.
Vicinal dihalides are treated with alcoholic KOH which undergo dehydrohalogenation which gives
नहीं, which gives हटा दो. Dehydrohalogenation to form alkenyl halide. To form alkenyl. ये स्पेलिंग होगा. एल्केनाइल क्यों आ गया? बिकॉज यू आर हैविंग द डबल बॉन्ड एंड एट द सेम टाइम यू आर हैविंग द हेलोजन ऑल्सो. दैट्स व्हाई एल्केनाइल हैलाइड. which on further treatment with soda amide
सोडा एमाइड के बाद बोलना.
to give alkyne. Now you can write down this equation. Done?
no.
Okay, right now. ये whatever I have made over here, these loops I have made to make you understand. अगर आप नहीं भी बनाते हो, then also no issues.
Excuse me ma'am.
Yes, बेटा.
मैम हम KBr और H2O को एरो के ऊपर लिखने की जगह ये साइड में प्रोडक्ट साइड में लिखे तो चलेगा ना?
चलेगा.
मैम डन.
Done? Okay. Now write down the third preparation method. Third preparation method is from gem dihalides. What are the gem dihalides?
Two identical halogens on same carbon atom.
Yes, correct. So what happens over here? X I'm putting for the halogen over here. So what we do? Again, we take a gem dihalides. We make it react with the alcoholic H. So what is going to liberate over here? HX. Okay. Now what happens over here? जहां से hydrogen, sorry. From where your one hydrogen and your X is being liberated from this hydrogen, and from here your X is being liberated. So over there, what is going to happen? Double bond CH, X and H. This has come, double bond has come over here. Now again, you treat it with the soda amide. Then again your hydrogen and halide is going to remove, and you will be left with the alkyne. That's your whatever whatever the okay. Now write down this. Write down for this.
मैम
हाँ जी बेटा,
मैम आर के बाद सी आएगा, सी एच नहीं आएगा
कहाँ पे कर दिया मैंने CH?
मैम, लास्ट
Yes,
के अंदर
sorry.
ट्रिपल बॉन्ड लगाया ना वहाँ पे।
Sorry. R CH. Okay. अब लिखो. Gem halides are made to treat with hydrogen with alcoholic KOH and further with soda amide to obtain alkyne.
मैम सोडा माइट के बाद क्या है?
With soda amide to obtain alkyne.
आप रिएक्शन लिख लें।
Yes, now write down reaction.
मैम इसमें भी KX और H2O रिलीज होगा ना?
इसमें बेटा इसमें HX रिलीज हुआ है, -HX I have written ना, K and all I have not written over here. Done?
मैम आपने जब KOH के साथ रिएक्ट करवाया उसके बाद भी H हट जाएगा ना C के नीचे से।
कौन से C के नीचे से बेटा? यहाँ से मैंने हटा तो दिया, तभी तो you have obtained the double bond. एक हाइड्रोजन हटा और एक आपका हेलोजन हटा, फिर दोबारा इसको
ओके मैम।
दोबारा वी हैव मेड इट रिएक्ट विद द सोडामाइड, तो फिर से ये वाला हाइड्रोजन ये वाला हेलोजन हटा. ओके,
I'm done.
डन. Fourth preparation method. Fourth preparation method is from tetra haloalkane this is a dehalogenation. अब टेट्रा हेलो एल्केन का मतलब क्या हो गया? दैट वॉट एवर द एल्केन यू आर गोइंग टू टेक, इट इज हैविंग द 4 halogens. This tetrahaloalkane, in the presence of the zinc, it give us the alkyne plus it comes out. Write down in this. Tetrahaloalkane is treated with zinc, metal, in order to obtain alkyne. Done this much?
मैम ये रिएक्शन लिख लें?
Yes.
I'm done.
Okay. So for today we are going to do this much only. 3 more preparation methods are left behind. So, sorry, tomorrow we will be doing then that 3 preparation methods, and then we will be starting with the chemical properties. Hopefully try करेंगे कि कल तक हम इसका chemical properties तक we get finished. So from Monday onwards we can start with the cyclic compounds, aromatic hydrocarbons. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, then all of you, good day.